businesses are utilizing Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud. As I said in the agenda as well, it is very important that from a business point of view, you must want to know that how businesses are utilizing Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud. So for that, we have a case study which I want to share of Kawasaki engines. So Kawasaki engines is a renowned manufacturers of high performance engines, and they also face challenges, right? Like lack of collaborations within the teams. They faced manual data management as a challenge. Because of that, it became error prone because a lot of humans intervention was there in order to update the data manually, which made their data inconsistent and it became error prone. And the third one was inefficient forecasting because they had, they do not have the proper tools and technologies in place, so they could not forecast for their new and upcoming businesses. But with Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud's capabilities, they could enhance collaboration. As Vijay has already told that, Manufacturing Cloud comes with a combination of sales, service, and so many other built-in solutions on top of that. So with that, you can integrate Marketing Cloud, like Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud, and whatnot. So with that, you can had collaboration very smoothly. And with automated data insights, it enabled it reduced the data manual entry. It reduced the manual entry problems and it enabled precise business analysis. Along with that, it provided real-time customer product and pricing performance data. And with collaborative forecasting, as Vijay had already shown you in the dashboard and in the demo, that we can do forecasting with the real-time data, which definitely improved the production planning and customer satisfaction for Kawasaki engines. And because of that, because of implementation with the manufacturing cloud, they literally got a lot of benefits with proactive customer engagements, streamlined operations, real-time decision making with the real-time data. It improved their CSAT scores. It improved their forecasting, and with leveraging their like the power of technology, they could drive into further innovations and efficiencies because their existing processes and existing problems could be the technology could sort it. So their teams could think about new innovations and efficiencies and how they can build or how they can grow their business more.
Yeah.
And to understand more that how businesses can utilize Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud, you can download our presentation and have a look at it yourself. We have added a couple of more case studies in it.
Definitely, please download the presentation. You will have better understanding of the businesses that are leveraging manufacturing cloud and how they are benefiting from it.